Howdy everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Say you've ever had a section view but you see a part in here like this threads. I want to see that show through, or any part that you have here. An easy way to do that, let's go to the model first. We have to do something there. And then the part, say we're just going to do this part. I want to go into that, so double click on that. You'll see it jump into that section over here of just that part. We're going to go up to Tools and go to Document Settings. Go over to Model, and right here, Participate in Assembly and Drawing Sections. I don't want that, so we're going to uncheck that. Say OK. I'm going to close out of that. Back to the model. Go to the Assembly. Now from here, you want to double click on that view that you want to show that through. We are going to go to Display Model. Now I want to see the nuts on here. I want to see all the lines and tangents. So let's turn that on. But also here's Section. It says Obey Browser. We're going to go down here and put Never. Say OK to that. And there you go. That particular part will show through without being sectioned. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.